sober and I can't move on.
That night was incredible, so were the decibels. Couldn't hear my thoughts. Something like a chemical, something medical. I looked at her, I was lost. In her eyes, in the music, in the way she moved. She had me hooked on the sound the alarms. Looked at her, I could tell she was looking too. I looked away and felt her grabbing my arm. She said, I wanna move to the left. I was by her side, I wanna move to the right. Took me for a ride, she pulled me down to the front. Took me by surprise, she had her head rocked, hips pop. Baby, don't you stop, she said, dance. Come on, let your body move, you can't do it wrong. She said, dance. Come on, let your body move all night long. You gotta let loose, no excuse, couldn't fight, no use. Have my body lost in the song. She said, dance. Come on, let your body move all night long.
'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. 'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you, so why don't you come to stay?
'Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through.
Summer green and summer tree.
Are you happy?
Speed
Are you happy?
always scared me.
Yay!
Blue breeze to the backseat. Fell asleep right next to me. Memories come twist and bend, like the hills that came and went. Patterns pass on the wheel, color fans with the sun.
As 2023 ended, my heart was filled with gratitude for the numerous changes and happenings that unfolded. Each twist and turn, every challenge faced, and every win celebrated made me grow and resilient. I'm thankful for the lessons learned, the strength I picked up, and the moments that shaped me. Here's to the year that was, and here's looking forward to what's next.